Today at Gateway Motors of Tampa, we have a 2012 Ford F150 Lariat Crew Cab 4x4 in the color golden bronze metallic with tan leather interior. This automatic, two-owner, clean Carfax truck has been well maintained and is super clean inside and out. Henry wants to show you inside. Inside this 2012 Ford F-150, you have tan leather interior, power seats, windows and door locks, memory seats, heated and cooling seats, cruise control, EcoBoost, steering wheel mounted controls, CD, MP3, USB aux sync radio, rear AC, rear power sliding window, towing package, bed liner, tonneau cover, chrome accents and wheels, new tires, and much more. Give us a call or visit us online at www.gatewaymotorsoftampa.com.